everybody, David Lewis here, owner of Mission Air Conditioning in Houston, Texas. We're at a beautiful home here today. We wanted to give you a little visual of a unit that we just installed. It's an XV18 Trane unit, the little brother to the XV20. We'll show you around the unit, see the thermostat, the condensing unit, so that you can get a better sense of the benefits and whether that unit might be a great system for your home. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, we're at the condensing unit for the XV18. It's an 18-SEER system. The only difference between this one and its big brother really is efficiency one, but also the big brother is going to be a little bit taller. The XV20i is going to be a little bit higher. You may not even notice it right now, but the condenser fan motor is running. It's got one of the quietest systems out there. It's able to do that because it has the ability to run into low speeds up to high speed through an inverter technology, and it's able to run from 25% up to 100%. Widest operating range available for an air conditioning central air system at this time. So this is the condensing unit. I'm surrounded by a few different things, a little tight, but they've concealed it nicely. One thing to note, whenever you're having a unit installed, you want to make sure that any shrubs or brushes are off the unit, otherwise they're going to restrict it, even if it's a high efficiency unit like this one here. So this is the XV18. Thanks for taking a look. Okay, here we are at the thermostat on an XV18 system. This is the same thermostat you would see on an XV20 air conditioner. It's the comfort link to thermostat. And before we get going too much, you may not notice it once again, is that the system is running. We're right next to the return air, and you can barely hear that even running. So it's running at a lower rate. It's able to remove more humidity out of the air and is more comfortable in the end, and while at the same time highly efficient. So this is very high-end technology. However, Trane has done a great job of making it pretty simple. This is in a bedroom, so it's able to black out. The screen's able to black out pretty quickly, so that it doesn't have a whole lot of light coming off of it. They've thought of most everything. So simplicity of use. You've got a home button, away button, and a sleep button. So you come in from a busy day of work, you want to go directly to bed. You can just hit your sleep button. It goes directly to the temperature that you prefer to sleep at. Same with away and home. You can automatically go to those temperatures with one click, as opposed to hitting your thermostat 100 times to get to the temperature that you want it to go to. So it does everything. It's Wi-Fi compatible. It can tell you its running schedule. It can tell you how hard it's run. It can tell you what the outdoor temperature is at your home. It communicates very well with the outdoor and indoor pieces of the system. All of those pieces need to really work together in order to get a full efficiency and full effect. A lot of customers ask us about the Nest thermostat, whether the Nest is a great application. That's my phone. Whether the Nest is a great application for a higher end system. It's not going to be the best. It is good on some systems, not for a system like this. The thermostat here allows for the entire system to run optimally, whereas the Nest isn't matched to that. So this has got a lot of the same features as the Nest and is better suited for a high-end system. So this is the Comfort Link 2 on the XV18 and XV20 air conditioning system. Okay, we're in probably the least glamorous part of the house and least glamorous part of the air conditioning system. This is the furnace and evaporator coil. This is the XC80 furnace, and it is perfectly matched with this system because it is a variable speed furnace. You may not be able to notice, once again, the system is running. It's running at a very low speed. That's ideal for in a condition like Houston, Texas, where we are, because the system's able to run longer. At a lower speed, it's able to remove more humidity from the house. So humidity is a big problem here. So all three pieces of the air conditioning system, evaporator coil, condenser, and furnace, all need to be matched together to reach the full efficiency, and they're all matched together so that they can operate and work together as a team in tandem. So this is the furnace for the XV18 air conditioning system.